Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can print a page and save a web page as PDF. Let's start. Div test underscore print page and save as PDF. Get the driver instance and logger instance and print and save PDF. Okay, as PDF. So let's create a page object and driver logger, pass them to page class. Let's open the URL. Then let's click print page. And store the result in result. Then let's import common class from nRoBo.util.common module and call its save as PDF method, pass the result, and that's it. Now let's run the test. nRoBo -- key test method name and run. So test started running. Browser instance spun up. Open the URL. It's opening. And then using print page, get the result and save as PDF. Here you can see. That's it. Thank you.